this is a bit of a short video. I'm just gonna explain like a good map to use and download if you want to train on certain things. I'll show you later, but I think most of you guys already know the map. I'll put the link in the description to the browser. It's TCR Walkway. So I'll put this link in the description. Just click manual download. Should download. You guys download it, because I don't need to download it. I've already downloaded it. Now when you download it, you will go over here and you will have, depending really on what you have. Okay, you have this called TR Walkway RC2. Open it. Now I have already done everything, so there should be a file over here. This one, yeah, that's right. It's actually free. It's this PSP file. So take the file, put it out. Okay, and then you will go to, first thing you will go is desktop. Sorry. Okay, I have some problems. Okay, wait. So don't ask what exactly happened. I totally forgot everything. Anyways, go to local disk, then go to program files 86, and then there should be, scroll down, there should be Steam over here, and then go to Steam apps. Wait, Steam apps. Here you go, and then go to common, and then you go to select your game, which is important for what we exactly need. Go to TF, and then you will go down to maps and put the PSP file in here. I'm not putting it in because I have already put that in and probably can screw up everything. So I'll see you guys in the game. So welcome back, guys. Well, after you open TF2, go find game, scroll down, create server, and it lags for me a little bit. There you go. And I've already selected the map. You just come up and you can select your walkway. If this is a bit confusing because you have too many maps, just open the console, which I have done in a bunch of other videos, so I'm not gonna show you do that. And then type map TR, yeah, there you go, TR Walkway RC2. Now just do that, but I prefer using the create server because sometimes it can lag the game and load everything alone. It's gonna start the server and see you guys when I start. So welcome back. After you have loaded the map, you cannot play in any other than red, so you have to be red to play. Oh boy, that's my fault. So I'll see you guys in a second. So I'm really back this time. Go to red and should respawn everything. So why I did that is because if you have it set to official, this is not gonna happen and bots are not gonna spawn. So it happens to me a lot. You have to do that before you start the server. Now I'm showing you only 3 classes training because that's like 3 of my most played classes. Actually 4. Okay, so I'll start up with scout. I don't think everybody has perfect aim, so what I suggest is going scout, come into this room and make bots move back and forward, force bots to jump. No need to strafe or crouch. Actually, need to strafe. Sorry about that. And then you can choose any class, doesn't really matter. So the classes should be here. Now the reason I made this is because it's really good to training your aim, because my aim personally is terrible and I'm trying to train scout. It's really good for scout, especially since scout requires a lot of aim, so you can keep jumping around. And if you want to make it a challenge, wait, I suggest putting CF cheats to 1 and going on a low clip because it's much easier to get in there. So I'm back over here. If you want to make it more intense so you can dodge, you can make bots attack, and now if you go out, they're basically gonna attack randomly. So it's really good, like if you wanna dodge, really. It's already generating your health, and if you want you can stop that, but I don't think that's a good idea. Come back in a second. So welcome back, guys, and this is probably for who loves using the arcade a lot. You can do that with a rocket launcher too, but I'm really bad with air shooting with a rocket launcher. So basically it's just air shooting people. So if you want them to strafe, you can make them strafe. so I don't suggest that if you want to start easy. So what you can do is you have to come back here, down here, and put this up. This would be basically a ramp, so they will jump up, and then you can air shot them. I suggest putting this command, which is add count 33. This is because it gives you crits, so you kill them immediately. Now I can get them, not really all the time, um, like when they're jumping to the air, but sometimes you can get them, and if you can't, I suggest typing this, which is host underscore time scale. This basically changed the speed of the actual game, so back, probably one of the most obvious things, it's pyro, air blasting. So of course all you need is wait, go over there, over here, and this will basically spawn classes for air blast training specifically, and then you should make them shoot, and then you can stand in front of them and then just reflect. It's really good though, it's really fun to do. You can make them strafe, I think, so make it harder, make you need to time. I'm not that good of a pyro, so every now and then you can come here to do that. It's really fun also, sorry about that. But it's probably one of the hardest classes in reflecting. But the class itself, like if you want to go WM1 or something, it's pretty easy. And I probably don't know how I even got all this. Moving on to the next class. Now, because I think I said before that I'll only show 4, I think it's time to show everything. So, just reset to default out here. And then I'm talking about direct hits with bulbs. It's not that easy, I think, in normal bulbs, at least for me. So I'll choose just people walk back and forward, they jump, and they also strafe. So when they spawn over here, it's really gonna be hard to hit them. If you want to make it easier, you can remove one of the things, like they don't strafe, they don't move back and forward. I don't really know. I personally suck at demo. I'm not that good. Like really, I'm not joking. I'm just because those are bots. I personally really don't love playing demo. Anyways, I used to main him, but it's just for because the reason one of the most annoying things I hate when fighting a demo man is seeing those demo men who are a bit new or something, and they don't know how to use the grenade launcher, so they just do like this, spamming. And it's really annoying for whomever you're fighting because you're basically dealing an amount of damage that by the time they get to you, they're probably gonna be already dead. So I'm just gonna show you all the classes, by the way, not really all, maybe that have nothing. Moving on to the next. Now this class is probably predictable for most of you. Just reset everything to default because all the other classes doesn't have something to do with this map. So of course all you need is to just spawn bots for headshot training. There you go. And like normally it would be really easy to do, like you could do just if I don't suck at sniper, of course. God damn it, I do. If you're not bad at sniper, you can. This might be easy for most people probably, like really easy. And I really suck at sniper, though he's one of my most played classes. I haven't played him in a while. So if you want to make it a bit harder, you can go over here and do the same thing, which is bots move back and forward, they force jump, and they strafe. Now this is gonna be really hard because they're jumping and they're doing a lot of stuff at the same time. It's almost impossible to headshot them, at least for me, since I'm not that experienced. Now I would suggest using the same command, which is host time scale 0.5, because make them much slower. They can move up from there. Suggest doing this a lot on this map before you start going and playing, because it really helps. Like instead of just walking up and going and playing, this might be much better. Moving on. So this might sound a little bit weird because I think spy doesn't really work on this map good. But what I can say is you can maybe make the bots strafe. I haven't never tried this, so it's just an opinion. I don't even suggest doing that because they're bots and training isn't the best idea. Except if you're training with the Amprasted, then I would suggest that. And then make them strafe. Maybe make them shoot. then you can like go back of them and try backstabbing them. It'll be a little bit weird because they move in different directions. Or if you don't want that, you can try and faster headshotting them. As I just also using the other command, source time skill 0.5, it will make it much easier to headshot people. Of course, but I have a lack of skill. Yep, I have a big lack of skill. Anyways, this probably gonna be the last one. Anyways, thanks so much guys for watching. By the way, this is the first time I'm using this mic, so that I'm not talking properly. English is not my first language, so I'm not used to that. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.